I have this way cool 3-in-1 charger that I want to show you guys. Very simple, straightforward. So it can do your watch, it can do your AirPods, and it can do your phone. By the way, with the phone, it's a fast charge as well as magnetic. So let's show you all that. Let's do the watch. There's a couple features with the watch, which is really cool. The fact that you're able to push this thing out right here is really nice for this fact right here. So it magnetizes, it'll start charging. And what's cool is it shows that it's charging your watch, charging your phone, and then charging your AirPods. So it'll show you that they're charging, and then it'll turn off when it's charged. You know that it's ready to rock and roll. So that's one cool feature about the watch, that it can do that. Because the other thing is, I have it kind of like this, but if you want to, you're able to easily lay it down like this. Now you can have it like this if you want for your watch, or I could tilt it back up. Very simple to do that. But, and then you can kind of put the thing right there. Got your AirPods charging, and then your phone, by the way, so it has the magnetized, so it'll go right to it. It's going to start charging, which is super nice. It's, by the way, it's a fast charge. That's I said that, but that's one thing that I really got to harp on, because the fact that it charges your phone super fast is very, very nice. And then if you want to, so I showed you that it was like kind of in the V at the beginning, has this thing right here that goes into that spot. And by the way, that's magnetic as well. So it's not just something that's like a mechanical, just hoping that it doesn't slip out. It's actually magnetic, so it's going to stay, which is great. But if you want to, say you're going to go for traveling, it comes with this. It comes with the travel case, so you can put it in here if you want. Comes with the cord, and on the back side right here, it is USB-C. Comes with the cord, and a lot of the times you're like, oh man, I don't know how I'm going to plug this in. Like, I don't have any more bricks. It actually comes with this as well, and this is for fast charging. So it comes with this, this case. It's just everything you need to be able to rock and roll, go really quick, that you can charge all three of them at the same time. And if you're someone that maybe doesn't do all three at the same time, I would just use this bedside, because it's fast charge, way better than the other ones that just take forever. But I love it. I think you guys are going to like it. Have a great time.